Yogi Clan, do you have a detachable tour pack on the back of your bike? And as you're riding down the road, does it go like this? If so, you're in the right place. If you're new to Yogi Cycle Service, we welcome you stopping by and checking out this video. I ask you to look around and check out some of the other videos. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Maybe even hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning user, I appreciate you coming back and watching some more of my videos. Remember, Yogi Swag, Teespring, down in the comments, get you some. All right, so I will admit, I went out and I bought the cheap tour pack rack off of Amazon. Now it works, it does well, but as with so many other cheap Chinese parts, there's a saying that says must modify to fit. Well, some things require more modification than others. And what really bothers me is as I'm riding down the road and I hit a bump and my tour pack starts rattling like this. The problem is that the post that it sits on, the outer diameter of that is smaller than the inner diameter of the bracket that mounts to it. So I went to O'Reilly, bought a couple different pieces of hose. So we're going to take this tour pack off, see which hose fits it the best, and see if we can get this fixed. But let me show you what I did temporarily to try to get this to work. Stay tuned. Be right back. So as you can see, I taken some electrical tape and wrapped it around the post right here to try to thicken it up. But after a year of riding like that electrical tape is pretty shot. The front of the bracket just rattles against it. Same thing with the rear. The inner diameter of it is just too small. So I'm gonna probably take both of these off and try to replace them with some hose, and hopefully the diameters will line up. Let's dig in. All right, so I got some hose from O'Reilly. I don't really know what size this is. It's 12, the only thing identifier I can see is 12.5 millimeter. I think the part number is GL110918. Maybe 3/8 inch or ½ inch inner diameter, but the outer diameter is perfect. So let's take these off and see how we can build up this inside to make this work. All right, it's a little bit big on there. So we may have to do is build this up maybe with a little bit of tape. You have to fit a little bit more snug. Yes, electrical tape. It like fixes everything, right? Now this just perfectly fits over there. And when I have this build up right now, when I put it over, it kind of stretches it a little bit, and I can't have that. It's got to fit in there just right. So I'm trying to back it off so it's the right thickness. There we go. Perfect. Ah, that's beautiful. All right, so let's get a length right about there. All this really is radiator hose. Put that on like that. Yeah, eventually I'll get a new washer and put a new washer on. I just want to get this, see if this will work first. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, that's it. 10 minutes, done. Let's move this harness out of the way. Let's get the tour pack. Put it on, see what happens. All right, front's in. Back's on. Back's on. All right, the back's a little bit thinner diameter. Let's swap out the back for a little smaller diameter. All right, so the front fit in beautifully, but the back really did not. With the clamp that locks it in, it was pushing this rubber down. It was not a good fit. It's a little too tight, so the front works well. Very pleased with the front. But the back's a little too big, so we're gonna redo this again. I have a little smaller diameter hose. This is a 3/8 inch hose. So we're going to try that instead. So we're going to take this one off. You can see there isn't much of a difference, but it's a good, probably 1/8 all the way around, narrower. And this, it pretty much just perfectly fits over this stud here. So we're going to take all this tape off. And if this doesn't work, we'll put the stock back end on, but there was just still so much wiggle. And I don't like that. I want my tour pack to be solid and locked into the bike. I don't like anything that wiggles on a motorcycle. Just not good. Okay, let's try it again. Made to fit. All right, front's in. Let's see if the back will fit. Oh, look at that. Slides right on. Now the question is, does it lock? Oh, yes, it does. Oh, yes, it does. So close. All right, let's take it back off again. I think it really needs that recess part right there for the cam to lock into. Which stinks because these grommets are looking pretty beat up after only a year. Cheap Chinese junk. Hey, you want to see something else? Look at that chrome right there. Look at that chrome. Garbage. Garbage, I tell you. All right, with the ones that came with the kit on, with the new rubber on the top, radiator hose, let's try it again. All right, front's on, back in, and locked. In and locked. All right, Yogi Clan, I won't say that's how you eliminate your tour pack wobble, but that's how you can seriously reduce it, is by getting some rubber radiator hose. I got this from O'Reilly. Like I said, I'm not sure the size, but this I got this out of their parts box, their spare parts box. And let's look at it now. There's a little bit of wobble. In the front, there's none. But if you look at it now, so this front up here, as I wobble it, really the only wiggle that I see now and movement is out of here. There's not very much movement. There's a little up there, but not that much. And it's a lot tighter than it was before. So I would say that worked fairly well. I'm happy. I'll take it. It's better than it was with this boogered, looked up electrical tape crap. Garbage. So that stuff's gonna all get thrown away. So there you go, Yogi Clan. I hope this helps you with your tour pack. I thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.